congratulations, Sir Arjo Custodio, for this award, one of the Philippine Empowered Men and Women
This is for
2024.
Asia's brand.
For Asia's brand, kasi isang umbrella siya, di ba? Yung Asia Best Brand, Excellent Award 2024. Can I get for your reaction for this?
Wala na sigurong question kasi ang Manila Times naman is the oldest newspaper,
Yeah.
not only in the Philippines but also in Asia. So, founded in 1898. So, at alam nyo na, very credible ang Manila Times. So, wala na siguro question doon. So, happen lang na yung boss namin, yung chairman and CEO, si Sir Clay Dante ang second, wala siya. So, ako yung nag-visit in behalf of the Manila.
You're one of the success of the naman ng Manila Times sa mga articles na ginagawa mo.
Oo, kasi nalipat lang ako ng beat from lifestyle entertainment. Napunta ako sa Campus Press, business education and academe, at saka diplomatic relations. Kaya nagkakasama tayo sa Malaysia Embassy.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, sige. Okay, thank you. Okay.